Managing metadata updates one field at a time can slow down your workflows. With DocuSign CLM, you can use an XML payload as an input option to update multiple attributes at once, making workflows simpler, faster, and easier to manage. Instead of individually configuring attributes in the Update Document Metadata Value and Update Folder Metadata Value workflow steps in CLM, you can use an XML variable to handle bulk updates and delete attribute groups in one step. This reduces manual setup and keeps your workflows efficient and scalable. There are a few ways to use XML to update attributes in CLM workflows. For specific attribute updates, you can directly update an XML variable by using the C# expression builder and use that variable as input to the workflow steps. If you are working with static data, or if the workflow provides little or no dynamic input, you can update an XML variable by using an XML file. For bulk metadata updates with a lot of dynamic data, you can process a manifest file through C# expressions to generate the XML variable. Let's walk through an example of how to use a CSV manifest file template to update metadata in bulk. Simplify bulk metadata updates by creating or updating a workflow, identifying the required attributes, building the XML payload, processing the manifest file, adding the metadata update steps, and testing the workflow to verify the attribute updates. Start by creating or updating an existing workflow that includes steps to assign attributes to an agreement. Next, identify the attributes you want to assign or update. These are examples of attributes that are chosen one at a time and then assigned to the agreement. Next, build your XML payload, which is a structured data format used to pass information to update and delete attributes in bulk. Define the columns in a CSV manifest file to contain the attribute values you want to apply. Use the create variable from CSV workflow step to load the file and save the output as an XML variable. This step transforms your CSV into a structured XML variable that can be used to update metadata. Next, use the manifest CSV variable as the input and apply expressions to map values from the CSV to your metadata. In the Update Document Metadata Value, or Update Folder Metadata Value workflow step, select the XML method, and then use the manifest CSV variable to update the attribute values. The XML payload defined in the previous steps allows multiple attributes to be updated in a single step. Finally, run the workflow and review the agreement to confirm that the attributes defined in the CSV manifest file are assigned. By using a single XML payload, you can simplify metadata updates, reduce manual configuration, and streamline your CLM workflows.